Did you know that one of the simplest yoga poses can calm your nervous system, ease back pain, and even help you sleep better all in few minutes? Today, we're diving into child's pose or Balasana and uncovering 5 powerful benefits that go way beyond just stretching. Welcome back to our series One Yoga Pose 5 Benefits, where we explore how even a single yoga posture can transform your body, mind, and energy. In this video, we'll explore why child's pose is often called the ultimate resting posture and how it can help you reset, recharge, and heal from the inside out. Benefit 1. Stress and anxiety relief. When life feels overwhelming, our nervous system goes into fight or flight mode. Child's pose activates the opposite response: rest and digest. By gently folding forward and letting the body surrender, the brain receives a signal of safety. This reduces cortisol, the stress hormone linked to premature aging, belly fat, and anxiety. Imagine ending a long, exhausting day. Instead of scrolling on your phone, you spend just a few minutes in child's pose. Your heartbeat slows, your breathing deepens, and you start to feel calm again. This simple shift can transform your mental health over time. Benefit 2. Eases back, neck and shoulder tension. In today's world, so many of us spend hours hunched over screens, phones, laptops, tablets. The result? Stiff necks, tight shoulders, and aching lower backs. Child's pose offers a natural antidote. This posture elongates the spine and releases compression in the lower back while gently stretching the hips and shoulders. People often describe it as melting tension away. It's like pressing a reset button for your posture. If you ever feel tightness building in your body, child's pose can be your safe place to release it. Benefit 3. Improves digestion and detoxification. Here's a benefit most people don't know: child's pose supports healthy digestion. When you fold forward, you create gentle pressure on the abdomen. This stimulates blood flow to the digestive organs and can relieve bloating or sluggish digestion. It's also linked to activating the parasympathetic nervous system, which improves your body's ability to process and absorb nutrients. So the next time you're feeling heavy after a meal, a few minutes in child's pose may help your system reset naturally without pills or supplements. Benefit 4. Emotional release and grounding. We live in a world where we're constantly told to push harder, go faster, achieve more. But child's pose reminds us of the opposite: to surrender, rest, and let go. It's often described as a deeply grounding pose because the body naturally curls inward, almost like returning to the safety of the womb. For many people, this posture can bring up emotions stored in the body: sadness, grief, or even relief. And that's a beautiful thing, because it allows healing to begin. Yoga isn't just about muscles, it's about releasing what we carry inside. Benefit 5. Prepares the body for sleep and recovery. Quality sleep is one of the biggest factors in health and longevity. Without it, the body can't repair itself, and the mind becomes restless. Practicing child's pose before bed helps activate the vagus nerve, the key player in relaxation and deep rest. Many yoga practitioners use this posture as part of their evening wind down. Just a few minutes in this pose signals your body that it's safe to relax. Over time, it can improve sleep quality, reduce nighttime anxiety, and even support recovery from fatigue or burnout. So let's recap. Child's pose is more than a stretch. It reduces stress and anxiety, releases back and shoulder tension, improves digestion and detoxification, provides emotional grounding, prepares your body for sleep and recovery. It's simple, accessible, and deeply powerful. And the best part, You don't need to be flexible to feel these benefits. Even just a few minutes a day can transform the way you feel. If you found this helpful, imagine what's waiting for you in the next video. We'll explore downward dog, the pose many call the king of yoga. And trust me, its benefits will surprise you. Don't forget to subscribe and let's keep exploring the magic of yoga together.